severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was The National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a tornado warning for Dickinson County in northwestern Iowa, northwestern Clay County in northwestern Iowa, until 4:30 p.m. At 4:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Fostoria, or 8 miles northwest of Spencer in Clay County, moving north at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Milford, Arnold's Park, Okoboji, Waukegan, and West Okoboji around 4:10 p.m. Spirit Lake around 4:15 p.m. Lake Park around 4:25 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties, in Iowa, Clay and Dickinson.